In this video, I will explain to you what all the buttons on your iPad Air M4 are doing and what are all the features you can activate with them. So let's get started right away. The button on the top right corner, well, obviously it's the power button, but it can do much more. For example, it's also the Touch ID sensor. So if you want to unlock your iPad, you can simply put your finger on this sensor and it will read your fingerprint. If you want to activate Siri, you can press and hold this button, just like that, and Siri is listening right now. And if you want to power off completely your iPad, you can also hold down this button and the volume up both at the same time until you get the power off slider and you slide it. Then if we continue, we have the volume buttons. Up is for volume up and down is for volume down. But if you're using the iPad in landscape mode, the button that is on the left side will actually lower the volume and the button on the right side will increase the volume. So they change their function depending the screen orientation. If we continue over here, we don't have anything on the right side, and down below, well, we have the USB Type-C port. As you see, there is some grills on each side of the iPad. These are the speakers. So when you're listening to a movie and you're holding the tablet this way, you can hear the sound in stereo. On the left side over here, there's no buttons, but you may notice there is these things, these three dots. These are the smart connectors, and they are used for the Magic Keyboard attachment. This is all they're used for. And I'll put a link in the description if you want to get the Magic Keyboard. It clips over here and it's able to communicate with the iPad this way. As you notice, there is no button on the front of the iPad, but there's many gestures you can do on the screen to unlock certain functions. So I want to go through them. So the first gesture is to swipe up from the bottom of the screen and stop your action in the middle of the screen. Just like that, and release. You're going to get to the app switcher. These are all the apps that are open in the background of your iPad. If you want to delete one, simply swipe up the app and it will stop running in the background. It will close completely. To exit this screen, tap anywhere apart on your app and you'll be back where you were. So drag up, stop, and the app switcher will appear. Now you can also swipe quickly from the bottom of the screen up without stopping and without going till the middle to come back to the home page. So for example, if I'm in this app, that is in landscape mode actually, and I want to go back on the home screen, I simply swipe up. Sometimes it takes 2 shots and yeah, it brings you back there. Before that, the iPad used to have a home button over here, but they have removed it and replaced with this gesture. So again, swipe up quickly without stopping and you go back on the home screen, no matter where you were. Another thing you can do by swiping left or right alongside the bottom edge of the screen is to switch between all the open apps. So let me do it. As you see, I'm switching between all the open apps. Obviously, this app is in landscape mode, but you get the idea. You can if you swipe left and right on this bar that appears on the bottom of the screen, you can switch between all the open apps very quickly. You can also do the same exact thing as I showed if you swipe left or right in the middle of the screen using 4 fingers or 5 fingers at the same time. So for example, with 4 fingers, if I swipe, I can go through all the apps that are open currently in the background of my iPad. Just like that. Left or right with 4 or 5. Also works with 5. Finally, if you have enabled multitasking of your iPad by dragging down the top right corner and selecting the multitask icon, it's this one, like 3 rectangles. If you have activated this option with 4 or 5 fingers, if you have an app open and you resize the screen. Let's say I open another one. Oops, let me select this one, let's say, and resize it as well. So right now I have two apps open in multitasking mode. If I use four fingers, I can swipe up, and those apps will allow me to see the home screen. Also, I have forgot to mention, but if you are in an app and you want to go back on the home screen, you can also take four fingers and bring them inwards like this. It takes a bit of practice, but you will be back on the home screen. Other gestures, well, you probably already know, but if you drag down from the middle of the screen down, you're going to have all your notification. This is notification center, and you can delete, clear them once you have read them. If you drag down from the top right corner, you'll have the control center where you have many different shortcuts. So this is about it. These are the basic gestures you can do on your iPad Air M4. If you have other ones that you use regularly, please leave a comment down below and tell me how they work. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to read your comment. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next one.